welcome to this video. And I know if you're here it's because you want to know about LIV PURE. It's the new weight loss supplement that is being really famous in 2023. So I decided to record this video to tell you everything you need to know about LIV PURE before you buy this product. So if you really want to know what is the treatment, what are the ingredients, few alerts, return policy and much more, stay with me. I'm gonna be really short with this video, but I'm gonna go through the important things, okay? So let's start off with the most important thing, which is an alert where you're gonna find LIV PURE to purchase. Today this product, it's only, guys, only sold in the official website. So to help you out, I'm leaving the link here under the description of my video. And the reason why I'm sharing this with you, it's because you may try to find LIV PURE on your search and you may get like multiple websites that are trying to look alike the official one. It may lead you to the mistake. You can buy and harm your body. You can buy this product from a different place and not receive it and get frustrated, or you may get it and you don't feel anything and again you get frustrated. Okay, so to avoid all of that, and especially because only in the official website you can see all the details about this product, it's a safe place for you to purchase, for you to find the details and information, and also to check promos and the return policy. Okay, so what is LIV PURE? Why this supplement is being so popular? So first of all, the producers, they say the LIV PURE works in the root cause of obesity, of weight gain, and stubborn belly fat, and also that works for any gender or age. Why? Because they have a proprietary blend of only natural ingredients. This is the other important thing, because you can be sure that you're ingesting something that won't harm your body, won't give you any side effects. Everything is 100% natural. Aside from that, LIV PURE has been tested and approved by FDA facility. If you don't know, the FDA facility is what is the organ regulated that approves the production of medicines and supplements. So you can be sure also that has been approved by a serious company, a serious organ of the government that will that allowed the commercialization of this product. Also has no stimulants or habit forming. Okay, so don't worry at all. But let's think now why this supplement is different from the others. So they found, the scientists discovered a common factor among overweighted men and women, and they had compromised liver function. So the scientists discovered that the real cause of obesity, of weight gain, it's related to the liver function. So if your liver is working properly, you won't store fat. But when your liver is compromised, then it's when you start gaining fat. And I will explain to you how. So the main factor of the liver is to cleanse all the toxin and chemicals from our body. But there's something else that we didn't keep in mind. And guys, this is related to every food that you ingest. Your liver will decide what is gonna be converted into energy and what is gonna be stored as fat. And fun fact, this is why the liver is called fat burning furnace. So if your liver is compromised, won't be able to burn the fat and convert into energy, and you're gonna start just like storing fat and fat. So guys, LIV PURE will optimize your liver function, and with that you'll be able to speed up your metabolism. You're gonna feel like with more energy throughout your day. You're gonna be able to feel more lean and toned, and also you're gonna feel like less stress. Okay guys, LIV PURE is super easy to take. You just need to take 2 capsules per day. But for better and faster results, you gotta do your parts. Do never skip a day, okay? For better and faster results. Don't forget that you are the one investing in your body, in your health. So if you decided to take the first step, which is purchasing, just keep doing it. The other thing that you should never compare yourself. The supplier says for the best results, you would have to take for 3 months directly because your body needs to get used to the ingredients. But all the people that have been trying and like enjoying this LIV PURE, they have said that it varies to people, and this is because you are unique. So do never compare yourself, because each body and each organism is different. and whatever works for you not necessarily will work in the same way, okay? The other really important thing I want to highlight here, guys, this is like obvious, but just very important. If you are pregnant, under 18, or if you have any other illness or any major problems, talk to your doctor before buying any type of supplements, okay? As I said, the supplier suggests you that you take longer, but it varies from people to people. But guys, keep in mind that LIV PURE has 60 days money back guarantee. You may not have like the optimum results because you need this 3 months, but for sure within a month or 2-3 weeks you're gonna start like seeing the difference. But if you don't see the difference, if you don't like the product or any other reason, no questions are asked and you can have your money back, okay? 60 days money back guarantee. So guys, I think that's it. I really hope I helped with this video. I really hope that LIV PURE can help improve your life. You can have like a better live function. You can feel beautiful, you can feel like desired. So if you have any questions, comments, feel free to leave down below. And don't forget, in the official website you can see also the promos they have, okay? Bye.